BINI Touchdown LA sinalubong ng mainit na welcome ng mga fans. Unang nakarating sa LA sina BINI Maloy, Stacy, Gwen, Colette, and Aya. 2 batches ang flight ng BINI, na-reschedule ito dahil sa sama ng panahon. Second batch naman sina BINI Joanna, Mika, at Sheena. Paglapag pa lang sa LA, mainit na welcome ang sumalubong sa BINI. Naghintay talaga ang mga fans nang makita ang BINI sa personal at chance na makapagpa-picture. Sobrang saya ng Blooms USA na nakabalik na rin ang BINI at inaabangan ang performance sa KCON 2024. At ito nga may patarpaulin pa ang mga fans sa pagsalubong sa BINI. Worth it ang paghihintay dahil nakita sila sa personal at nakapagpa-picture pa. At ito ang mga few snap photos ng BINI sa LA. May paalala ang Team Blooms USA para sa mga fans. Reminders, if you happen to be in the same area as BINI, please do not post in real time. We do not want to jeopardize anyone's safety, theirs or ours. Wait until about an hour or more after all parties have left the area before posting, unless it's a public event. Along with this, let's please respect their privacy and their time. It's been a long time since they have been to the US. So surely they want to have a good experience while they're here. If they're eating or enjoying time with each other, respect that and give them their space. Do not ask for pics and autographs. Kindly avoid inappropriate physical contact. They are public figures, not public property. If you are lucky enough to meet them, remain nonchalant on the outside, OA on the inside. The excitement is real, but let's keep our cool. We want to make a good impression for the girls. Speaking of walo hanggang dulo, okay? Let's make sure they feel included and that no one feels out of place. At the end of the day, no matter who your bias is, we're all for BINI.